Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase, just a quick video to show you the latest updates for SeoWriting AI. SeoWriting AI is a quite good tool. I already made some videos about it on my channel and it's quite cheap, as you can see. You can try it for free, you can find the link in the description, and I even have a special discount for you. Check the description and you will find the code you want to use, because this is the cost for 100k words every month. You can write 50 articles, you can choose between different AI models, and you can generate pretty good articles for way less than other tools. If you want to pay yearly, you have an even better price, and again, if you use my discount and my code, you will save a lot of money even on this yearly plan. So let's take a quick look at this latest update from January. The first thing we can see is introductory hook. Now add your desired hook at the beginning of the article to grab a reader's attention instantly. I want to open this one-click blog post so I can show you where this new update is, and it's here in the structure section, introductory hook brief. You have this tooltip. Hooks in the introduction are designed to pique the reader's curiosity and encourage them to continue reading the rest of the content. You can write your own, or you can use these suggestions here. If I click on question, as you can see, I have a suggestion on how to include a question in my introduction, statistical or fact, quotation, anecdotal or story, or personal or emotional, and again I have a suggestion. Obviously, again, you can write your own, maybe editing these suggestions. You have new enhanced filters in Builder, filter statuses, select multiple results, and perform necessary actions with ease on the Builder page. And this is in this Builder section where you have your already made articles. You can use these filters, you can select different articles, you can choose an action here. For instance, download HTML, this is another new update, and delete these articles. Or you can click on these three dots, view, repeat, download HTML, edit, and delete. This is just a quick useful update. As I said, this is another update, download HTML feature, as I showed you here. Number 4, one-click keyword deletion. If I go here into the one-click blog post, I enter a main keyword and I generate some NLP keywords here with the NLP keywords generation. As you can see, I have some suggested keywords, and now with this button I can delete all these ones with one click. Number 5, revamped article publishing architecture. So say goodbye to delays with our improved article publishing process. This is useful when you want to connect your WordPress and publish directly from here to your site. Image enhancement, we're constantly training and adapting based on your feedback to improve image quality. And this is where you generate images into SeoWriting AI. You can decide if you want images in your article, the number of images, the image style, the image size, and these are some examples of the images you can generate into SeoWriting AI. You can also regenerate images if you don't like them. Number 7, WordPress plugin updates. So if you are using Elementor as your website builder, they improved the compatibility with Elementor. So now all the meta title, meta description, and so on are perfect even with Elementor. They improved the polylang compatibility, and now in the schedule you also have the functionality to publish articles retroactively, so with a past date. And finally, in development, they are cooking something really interesting, because they are adding internal and external links and enhancing the quality of generated content. So once they will release also these new features, I suppose I will make a new video about SeoWriting AI showing you how to generate an entire article, but I already made this kind of video, so if you want, you can click in the description and you will find the link. And that's all for this quick update for SeoWriting AI. Again, a very good tool. I know many people like it. It's quite cheap. This is the official price, but you can use my code and my discount. You can find it in the description. With the yearly plan, you pay way less, and you can add my discount if you want to try it for free, you can do it without a credit card. As you can see, you just need to click on the link in the description and try it by yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can click here and watch my previous videos about SEO writing AI. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.